Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change dictation microphone on Mac. So when you use dictation, your Mac needs a microphone to hear what you are saying. So if you have multiple microphones connected, such as your Mac's microphone, AirPods or an external microphone, you can choose which one dictation should use. Selecting a correct microphone can help improve voice recognition and make dictation more accurate. So to change it, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to key. Now here make sure you have enabled the toggle right to dictation, and then to choose microphone, click on the drop down menu right to microphone, and here you will be prompted by the list of microphones you have added to your Mac. So choose the right one. I prefer to choose my Mac microphone, so I choose it, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.